Hi everyone, I'm back with another Bead Box Bargains haul. This one is from June 6th and I have had it just one day, and today is what is today? The 18th, Friday the 18th. So I'll share it with you. It's not a huge haul, and I did use my coupon from Bargain Bead Box. So my total including shipping was $31.38. And I'm going to go in order, and I may have to pause about halfway through to get more things out and put these things away, that kind of thing. Alright, so the first thing I got, I actually went there to look for something, didn't find it, and ended up buying this much more stuff. And they didn't have the kit items yet. If they're going to, I don't know. So I got two of these. These before discount. All these prices I'll tell you were before discount. These were $1.59 for a 24 piece 8 by 5 millimeter. So 8 is this way and 5 is the thickness. Check pressed glass rondelle beads, burgundy / cocoa / almond. I think they're a great neutral and will be lovely for fall especially, or really anytime you want a neutral. I guess because I'm a Capricorn, which is an earth sign, I am very much in tune to earthy colors. I mean, blue turquoise is my favorite really, but I lean towards the earth tones too. So I don't know, maybe that's why I like gemstones so much. I don't know. So I got two of those. And then the next one is, now they don't call these cathedral beads, they call them 22 piece 7 by 5 millimeter. Again, 7 is this way and 5 is this way. Check fire polished rondelle beads, emerald / silver luster. So I guess they're not quite the shape of a cathedral bead, but they have the silver lining on them or caps on them, like as if they were a cathedral bead, but the shape is not the same. So they're a faceted rondelle with the silver on it, and they're like those red ones we had in the kit, only a little bit smaller. I hope they come back with the red ones, because wouldn't these and the red ones be beautiful if you celebrate Christmas? They'll be beautiful at Christmas time. They're a deep emerald green. Sorry, I'm too far up. Anyway, and then the next one is, I got two of these also. These are called 20 piece 6 by 3 millimeter check pressed glass rounded rectangles. I guess I see that. I was thinking they were ovals originally. I for some reason, and these are in steel blue shimmer. Oh, these were $3.09 before discount per strand. They're a little bit pricier. These were 99 cents a strand for 20 pieces. They're small, but they're pretty. And they're very shimmery, and I love this color of blue. They are transparent blue, steel blue shimmer. I think I have some other things in that too, but not that shape. And the next one, I just loved these. These are, I got two of them. They were $1.29 each before discount. 10 piece 11 by 7 millimeter check glass twist beads in teal multi-stripe. I don't know if you can see the stripes. Yes. It's blurry, but you can still see the stripes. Very pretty. I'm looking forward to using those sometime soon. Okay, and then these next ones, I had gotten something similar in a blue and I loved them. There were no more. So I went back and I put in the search wavy beads or wavy something, wavy ovals. So these are $2.39 a strand for 11 pieces. 11 by 7 check press glass wavy oval beads in sea green / pale blue / silver luster. A lot of sea green, not so much the blue at all that I can see, and definitely silver luster. but they will be nice for a summer theme or a little bit of blue. I see it over here somewhere. I saw it in the camera on the flat spots, a little bit of blue. Yeah. Okay. Anyway. And the last set of these kind of beads is, I got 2 of these. These are 20-piece 6mm check press glass Houck round beads. Crystal / apricot luster. Okay, so these are crystal / apricot luster. Now Houck, it's kind of redundant, I think, that they have Houck round beads, because Houcks are round beads, but you know, us foreigners don't understand that initially. So I guess it's important to say that, but these are gorgeous. I love the apricot color too, and they'll be nice for fall. They won't really go with that necessarily, but anyway. Okay, so that's it for the strands, and then I got these chandelier links. Now I have an idea for these. These are Finding 710, and they're not really double-sided. They're smooth on what I consider to be the front. But you could use the back as the front because it has texture. Maybe that's supposed to be the front. Almost looks like a mermaid thing. You could use it for that. That wasn't what I had in mind, but I could see that. And they come in a pack of 4 23.5mm triangle chandelier links in silver. And they were $1.29 for the 4-pack. I'll just leave them there for a minute. And then I think this is a repeat purchase because I do remember having these. 2-piece 19 by 15mm double-sided seahorse round charms in antique silver. I think this is a second purchase. I don't think these were in a kit. So cute. I maybe should have used them with my bargain bead box though. Okay, and then these are new to me. I got 3 packs of them. They're 2-piece 41mm pine branch pendant in gold finish. I have an idea for these, so I hope it works out. But anyway, yeah. So I got 3 packs of 2. Yes. And they were 89 cents per 2. They're very lightweight. They'd be fine for even earrings. Except if you have long hair like I do, it could get caught in your hair because of the way the branches are. Anyway, I got those. And then more leaves. This is 2 pieces. I only got 1 of these, and they were $1.09. 2 pieces, 37 by 30mm. 37. These look like oak leaves, right? Excuse me. They just call it textured leaf pendant gold finish. But they look like an oak leaf to me. What do you think? As long as it's not a poison ivy leaf or poison oak, I'm okay with it. So they're really pretty too. All right, I'm going to put you on pause and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So we'll go with the boringest thing first, the most boring, but very useful. I use chain all the time. This is 1 meter, 4.2 by 3mm textured jewelry chain, steel jewelry chain, antique silver. It was $1.09 before discount. It's very similar to the chain they had in our kit this month, except that each of the links has texture. See? No, by the way, this is the ring I made for Jewelry Making Fun, which I forgot to show to the very end. So oops. And it's a wire 305. They are starting to label their bags, except for the strands. Yay! Okay, this next one is 4-piece 24 by 15mm. This is the only one I got in the larger ones. Light jade, glass leaf pendant, light jade green. Now they have these labeled as lamp, for like lamp work. They don't look like lamp work to me. They look more like carved pressed glass, but anyway, that's what they're designating them as. This is lamp-247. Really pretty color. And I got that same color in the smaller size, 18 by 10, but I got 3 of the smaller ones. So I have a project in mind for some of these leaves. And there's 4 to a pack. I got 3. I only got 1 pack of the big ones. I got 3 packs of these smaller ones in the light jade green. See, lamp 256. Loving that they're labeling these now. Really loving it. Thank you so much, Bead Box Bargains. Okay, so the next one is this one here. It is 4-piece 18 by 10 glass leaf pendant. They call this pink dash red ombre / gold shimmer. But I'm not, I guess, yeah, there's the gold shimmer. It's on the others. I guess some of them have it more than others. Maybe I just couldn't see it before. I hope you can see it. Yeah, there we go. And these are all drilled front to back. So you either have to use wire or a jump ring or something to hook them onto your projects. Or you could use beading wire if you put it through and back and crimp it. That's another option. So those are pink dash red ombre gold shimmer. And just for comparison down here, these are lamp 253. These are the same size and they're just called red. But they're sort of an orangey red. And some are orangier than or redder than others. But I also got 3 packs of these. Thought maybe I could use those together, but I think these other ones are a little more pink than I want to use together. Then these up here are same size. I got 3 of these as well, but these are just called teal. And all of these smaller ones, 18 by 10, were 89 cents for a pack of 4. So what's that, about 15 cents a bead, 15, 30, no more than that, 18 cents a bead, maybe something like that. No, that's wrong. They're 89, well, maybe at the discount, but more like 22 or 3 cents a bead for 4, because 80 divided by 4 is 20, duh. And they're almost 90, so yeah. All right, and then the last ones I got were just called dark jade green. Dark jade green. It's a cross between like a Kelly green and this is the light jade green, but it does have that sort of opaque jade look to it. So yeah, I could see that, but the side that has the, what's that called, convex, the bump out, has the etching on it, but the other side is smooth. So I guess the etching side is obviously the front. And that is my little haul. Oh, I forgot to show you the free gift. Not my favorite free gift from them, but it sort of has a 70s vibe to me, and I have some of these in my stash, just 1 or 2, in colors I favor better. This is like a deep orangey red, and then it's got blue and black with golden copper sparkles kind of in it. I don't know if you can see it. I don't really want to take it out of the bag, but that is my thank you. So thank you, Bead Box Bargains. At least they send a thank you. So anyway, I do appreciate you watching. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe. I am trying to put, well, I put videos up for collabs definitely on the 12th, the 15th, and the 18th of every month. I also do kit unboxings, bead hauls, as I have them. I'm not doing as many hauls lately. Small ones, or they're smaller. And things that I need mostly, except for Bead Box Bargains. It's stuff I want also. And then I do Soft Flex kit unboxings once or sometimes twice a month. And then the makes from those kits, which this past month we've had a mid-month kit, and now we're going to have an end-of-month kit, so stay tuned for that. That one will be called Be Kind. Be Kind. All right, everyone. Take care. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. And I will talk to you again soon. I hope you'll come back and watch. Bye for now.